Hi, welcome to the course on how to build a robot. This is clearly a course for beginners, and in this course you will get an idea on how to make robots and actually build a robot for yourself. The framework we are using is ROS, specifically 1.0, which is a robot operating system. But actually it is not an operating system but a framework. You will also get experience with simulation software named Gazebo. In this simulation software, we have exactly the same physics as in our real world. We will also get familiarized with Rviz. This is a visualization software for robot testing. Here we are using ROS Melodic, which is installed in Ubuntu 18.04, and here we will be coding in Python 2.7. as ROS does not support Python 3 till date. Maybe it will be available by the time you are watching this video. First of all, I will introduce you to the platform Gazebo in this video. First of all, I will open the terminal on the terminal, and later I will type Gazebo. For this, you already have to be the Gazebo has to be already installed. But in our case it's already installed, and I will show you how to install Gazebo and how to install Rviz, how to install how to set up ROS workspace and everything. I will show you in the coming videos. So this is the Gazebo framework, and here you can add anything like you can place an object, you can move an object using these hands, and even if you pick it up, because of this gravity it falls down. So this is the reason why we say that this is a real world simulation, and yeah, surely you can move in 3 axes. Definitely this is the x-axis, this is the red line is the x-axis, this green line is the y-axis, and obviously the blue line is the z-axis. We can get we can also rotate this object using, yeah, surely we can rotate this in any direction, surely. But the physics is involved, so it has all the properties of a real world simulation. Yeah, surely if you can see, you can view it, zoom it and zoom out as well, and you will be yeah, this way too. And if you want to get an top view, you can press this and you will get a top view. Yeah, you will be getting a top view. And if you want a side view, you get a side view, a front view, another side view, and back view, and also bottom view. Surely you will be able to get the bottom view as well. So this is the robot, this is the Gazebo platform, which we will be obviously using a lot of times. And I will I will help you set up your ROS workspace and how to move a robot using this ROS framework in the following videos coming up. So like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, be sure you can surely you can comment in the comment section. So see you later. Bye.